how do we find which rational number is greater? Now, for example, we are given two rational numbers 2 by 3 and another rational number 3 upon 5, and we have to fill in the missing symbol. That means, is it greater, less than or equal? So, we have to take the denominators. We will have to take the LCM of the denominators. The LCM of 3 and 5 will be taken. 3 ones are, and here 5 goes once. So, therefore, we can say the LCM is 15. So, once you take the LCM as 15, we will see how many times 3 is going in 15. 3 goes 5 times. So, 5 will be multiplied by 2. We are going to get 10 upon 15. Now, what about this? This is going to be 15 LCM. 5 goes 3 times here. 3 into 3 is 9. So, here the denominators are equal. And now, let us see the numerators. Numerator here is 9. Numerator here is 10. Wherever the numerator is greater, that whole rational number becomes greater. So, I can say the symbol in this box will be 10 by 15 greater than 9 by 5. In other words, 2 by 3 will be greater than 3 by 5. So, this is the method by which we can find out what symbol we have to insert in the box, whether we have to put greater than, less than or equal. Let us consider another example. Let us say we are given 3 by 8 and we have to fill it, and we have to find out whether it is greater, less than or equal to 1 by 2. Now, as we discussed here in this, we will have to take the LCM of 8 and 2. The LCM of 8 and 2 will come out to be 8. So, 8 goes 1 times. So, 1 into 3 is 3. So, this remains 3 by 8. But this one, the LCM is 8. So, 2 is going 4 times. So, this becomes 4 by 8. Now, since the denominators are same, we look at the numerators, we find that 3 is less than 4, or we can say 4 is greater than 3. So, the rational number on the right side is actually greater than the rational number on the left side, which means that 3 by 8 will also be less than 1 by 2. So, again for repetition's sake, I can say that if you want to find out which rational number is greater or which is lesser, you first have to make the denominator same. Unless the denominators are same, we should not try to do hit and trial and put the symbol. We will always take the LCM and then compare the numerators. When the denominator are same, if the numerator is greater, then we can say that the whole rational number will be greater than the other. So, in this case, we saw that 10 by 15 was more than 9 by 15 because 10 is greater than 9. And if 10 by 15 is greater than 9 by 15, we can say that the original question 2 by 3 is greater than 3 by 5. And similarly, in this case, we saw that 3 by 8 is less than 4 by 8 because 3 is less than 4. We saw the denominator is less, so the entire rational number is less. And if 3 by 8 is less than 4 by 8, we can say that 3 by 8 is less than 1 by 2 also.